Get ready for the Christmas craft. So you will need a napkin, and I chose this cute snowman napkin that I bought at the Dollar Tree. I am cutting one square of the napkin. Look how cute. As you can see, when I placed the napkin on the wooden sign, it fits perfectly. I want the edges to be uneven, and so I'm going to take and just pinch the very edge of the napkin all the way around, stabilizing it with one hand and pinching and tearing with the other. All done with that. So easy. Plopping the Mod Podge in a bowl. I'm going to now take and spread the Mod Podge all over the front of the wooden sign, making sure to coat the entire surface well. And making sure to also get the Mod Podge in the grooves. That is done and didn't take long at all. We will now place our snowman napkin right over the top of where we just put the Mod Podge. I am now just taking my fingers and just pressing the napkin nice and flat. It is okay if there are wrinkles. You're just trying to press it down. The wrinkles will give it character. It is adhered onto the wood sign. The next coat of Mod Podge is going to go over the napkin. Now I am taking my foam brush and just making sure to push the napkin down into the grooves of the wood sign. It was so easy, so I have a napkin of Santa that I'm going to make another one of these with. I cut the napkin already, pinched and tore the edges, pressing him down on the wood, brushing the Mod Podge on the top of Santa to cover him completely. Super easy. They are dry now. Close-up of the snowmen. These great gifts were made from a Dollar Tree wood sign and napkin. Close-up of Santa. They are poppin'. They came out great. Love it when that happens. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and share.